everyone. This video will teach you on how to make your windows faster and clean. First, you need to adjust your personalization of your screen. Then type in run, then followed by percentage 10, then percent. And you need to delete all this one at once. Yes. And just need to skip all of that one. Those. Then again, run. Then the prefetch. And okay. Also, you need to delete all of this one. Okay. Now the first step is the disk cleanup. Click disk cleanup. Click OK. Then you need to check all of this item. But first, we need to clean up system files before we do that. So, okay. Wait for this cleanup apps will delete all the Windows resources, unnecessary Windows resources, so that the Windows will be faster and clean. It will take too long, depends on your usage of your PC. For my case, maybe it will take too long because maybe a few months I have never been into this cleanup. Okay, then check all of this item. Then click OK. Delete files. This cleanup is cleaning up all the garbage files into your computer. There we go. Please, if you like the video, please click subscribe button. And thanks everyone. God bless.